Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to explore the 8 pieces of brocade using the few movements to help us open the chest, to help us stretch the spine and work the hips. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. We begin in a standing position. Keep your spine nice and straight. Unlock your knees, relax your hips. Then bring your tailbone slightly forward to open up through the lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. From here, interlace your fingers, lift to the chest, and look up, opening through the chest and the front of the neck. Then move your hands over your head and slowly come up on your toes as you're lengthening through your spine. Slowly release the position, coming back down. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, relax your whole body. We're going slowly, bringing your hands up, opening through the front of the body. Relax, moving the hands over, opening up. Feel your hands being lifted towards the sky. Release the position, come back down. I like to shift my weight slightly forward, putting some pressure on my toes, opening up through the front. Then shift my attention to the center of my body, to the spine, feeling the muscles of the back, then release. Make sure you're moving slowly, make sure you're not overextending, creating tension, opening up. Shift your attention to the back and the center, coming up on your toes. Relax. We go again. Open up. Just feeling yourself opening through your spine, the back of the neck, the shoulders. Relax. And feel the relaxation traveling through your body afterwards. Feel your muscles relax and feel I'm letting go. One more time. Opening up. Feeling yourself nice and tall. Relax. Very good. From here, shift the weight to one leg. Lift your hands just above your navel and separate, opening up. Draw your hands back down. Placing your feet parallel, shift the weight. And do the same on the other side. Finding your center, finding your balance. Relax. Shift the weight almost effortlessly. Keeping yourself nice and aligned. Open up. Release. Lift and expand. One more time on each side. And once more, open up. Come back down and relax. From here, step a little wider than your shoulders, making your stance nice and steady. So relying on your legs, making sure your lower back stays nice and relaxed. Bring your hands in front of you into loose fist. Raise them to shoulder height as you look to the side. And then as you open your hand, pull across and squat down, making sure you're distributing your weight evenly so you feel yourself going down. Release the position, relaxing your entire body. And we'll do the same to the other side. Open as you pull. Relax and let go. Continue on the other side. Pull across. Relax. Open up. It doesn't have to be a deep squat, especially if that's your first exercise of the day. Just unlock your knees. Make sure you can rely on your foundation, keeping your spine nice and straight. Relax. Open up. Your eyes are looking fine to the distance between your fingers. Very good. And one more time. Pull across. Feeling all the muscles and tendons in your arm. Feel the chest open. Come back. Relax your arms and then slowly make your way back to center. From here, spiral your hands so your fingers are pointing at the side of your leg. From here, we're going to rotate the entire body, going as far as you can. Make sure you can safely come out without feeling any pull, any strain on your lower back. Spiral your hands, shoulders down, away from the ears, straight spine, nice pleasant twist. Unwind, come back. We go again. Imagine as if someone's kind of rotating you through the top of your head. Come back. If you want a little bit more challenge, you can keep your feet closer together. Come back. And always remind yourself to relax and soften as you transition. Feeling the entire body rotating. It's almost like your muscles are rotating around your bones. Relax. One more time here. Spiral in. and relax. Very good. Slowly come out, distributing your weight. And let's take a nice full breath here. Exhale softly. Fall on your hands, lean forward to decompress the spine. Your palms are facing down. Then move your hands, palms facing the sky. Lift. Inhale, open up. Exhale, bringing your hands down again, going forward. Inhale as you slowly come up as if you're lifting something. Exhale out. Inhale. Fall on your hands, lean forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Then inhale. And exhale. Allow your hands to flow down the center, guiding the energy to the lower dantian. Just take a moment here to be still, be present. Maybe take a couple of deep breaths in and out the nose. Just be grateful the ability to breathe well, to be able to take that full breath. It feels so good. When you come out, you relax your hands by the side, bring your feet together, and finish this session. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoy this short routine, a few gentle stretches to ease you into your day, or maybe break up your day if you've been sitting a lot or driving a lot. So, and if you want to support the channel, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Click that red subscribe button below this video so you get notified whenever I upload the next video. And if you want to practice longer sessions every Sunday on Zoom, we meet with a big group from all around the world. So if you think you can benefit from joining us, you can join my membership site with all the information below this video. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow.